Start.
Hello, myself Dr. Sushrit Soman, Professor and HOD Department of Repertory, Anantarao Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. Today, Repertory of Classification of Repertory, Part 5. In this, we are going to see classification on the basis of principle and on the basis of format. So, on the basis of principle, repertories are mainly classified into alphabetical repertories. Now, what is an alphabetical repertory? Now, this alphabetical repertories background mainly was the different repertories have given the same symptoms under different heading, under different chapter. It has created certain confusions in the mind of user. So, these alphabetical repertories have are the repertories which are constructed with mainly three objectives, and this mainly three objectives was to get maximum accurate and speedy access to the symptoms which are usually scattered in the repertory, also which are scattered usually in the different repertories. Now, the second objective was to simplify the task of indexing the symptom just by following the alphabetical mechanism. And in this way, if everybody follows this alphabetical arrangement, the repertories will be standardized. And these repertories were constructed with the objective of fulfillment of these three objectives. And for this, they have followed a simple universal mechanism, that is alphabetical system, where everything is arranged alphabetically. Depending upon the type of arrangement, these alphabetical repertories are further classified into alphabetical repertories, including name of chapter. There are certain repertories like a modern alphabetical repertory by Robin Murphy, Kent's expanded repertory by Shiv Raman. What they have done, they have arranged all the rubrics in the alphabetical format, and they have also included the name of chapter in the alphabetical arrangement. And in this way, they starts with the chapter on abdomen and they end with the chapter on wrist, and in between in the chapters various rubrics are arranged alphabetically. So this is the one type where the chapters are also arranged alphabetically. Then another type is alphabetical repertories excluding name of chapter. So there is no significance which is given for the name of chapter. All the rubrics are arranged alphabetically, and main example is Concise Repertory of Homeopathic Materia Medica by S.R. Pathak, a very popular repertory, a very user-friendly repertory because of its alphabetical system. Similarly, the Robin Murphy. Remember these two examples. Then what are the advantages and disadvantages? So these repertories are very useful to quickly and accurately assess to the rubric, because you have to follow only one principle of alphabet, guess the alphabet, find the alphabet under the respective chapter, and there will be no confusion, and in that way you will get a quick and accurate access to the various rubrics. One more advantage is that it is very easy for addition, because already there is a fixed format of alphabetical system. You have to just go and add the specific symptom, and so it becomes easy for additions in the repertory. And the biggest disadvantage of this type of repertory is that everything, like the finer shades of various provers word, finer shades of various rubric, etc. Everything, the arrangement of rubric according to the philosophy is also sacrificed. Now we see that there are certain repertories which give more important to general symptoms, like Kent repertory. Therefore, the first chapter is mind, last chapter is generality chapter. So everything, that is the meaning of rubric, the arrangement of rubric according to philosophy, is everything is sacrificed for the sake of alphabetical system. This is the biggest advantage. Then, depending upon the format of repertory, format means the appearance, format means the physical format. The repertories are again further classified into book repertories and card repertories. Now, what is a book repertory? Very simple. These are the repertories in the format of books. Now we all know what is the format of book, that there are various printed pages and that are binded together, that gives rise to simple form of book. So similarly, these are the repertories which are having different pages which are binded together to give rise to the format of book, and on each page different rubrics are mentioned along with the medicine, and this is the most popular form of repertory, and most of the repertories which we are using today, they are in the form of book. Then the advantages of this book repertories. The main advantage of this book repertory, when we are comparing these advantages, it is usually as or with comparison to the card repertory. The sources of this book repertories are multiple. They are easy to carry at the bedside, and they can be used as a reference book of homeopathic materia medica as the sources are multiple. And this book repertories also facilitate the function of elimination of non-indicated medicine. And the main disadvantage of this book repertory is that there is no mechanism for the purpose of repertorization or for the purpose of elimination of non-indicated medicine. So there is no mechanism which will save time and labor during the process of repertorization. And depending upon the format, another type of repertory is a card repertory. Now, what is a card repertory? Now, we have already seen in the book repertory pages and they are binded. In the card repertory, there are various, these are the repertories which are in the form of loose cards. Everybody knows the playing cards. Similarly, these are the loose cards, and there are small holes, and these holes indicate the presence of medicine under a specific rubric. So usually there is a one card, each card represents a specific rubric, and below that specific rubric there are some numbers are given. These numbers indicate the code number of medicine, and these code numbers are punch, which indicates the punching means small holes. This indicates the presence of medicine under that specific rubric. And then the only objective of this repertory is save time and labor in the repertorization. This is the only objective of this card repertory. Then depending upon what is the source of that repertory, these repertories are further divided on the basis of card repertories, on the basis of Boning-Hussein's repertory and philosophy. Under that, mainly card repertory by William Guernsey. All these repertories were based upon mainly Boning-Hussein's repertory, then Alain Boning-Hussein's slip by T.F. Alain, then card repertory by C.M. Bogan. Then there are certain card repertories on the basis of Kent repertory and philosophy. Among that, the unpublished card repertory by Margaret Tyler, which was disapproved by Dr. Kent by saying that idea this will unnecessarily create a confusion in the field of repertory and it will be not useful. So listening to those criticism, Margaret Tyler has not published that type of repertory. Further, the very popular and voluminous repertory constructed on the basis of Kent's repertory is a card repertory by Jugal Kishore. Now, what are the advantages? It mainly saves time and labor, and once the time and labor is saved in the repertorization, it is very soothing to the eyes, and it is also a mesmerizing effect it gives to the patient, that the physician is just looking like into some cards like a magician and he is prescribing. Then important disadvantage, these repertories are very bulky, voluminous. For example, Jugal Kishore card repertory, more than 10,000 cards, becomes very difficult to go at the carry at the bedside and do the repertorization. And with the advent of sophisticated or more advanced computer, these repertories have become outdated. Few more disadvantages of card repertories are like there is no system of gradation, the sources are single, there is a problem of blockage. Now sources are single means they are using only one repertory, they are not using multiple repertories for construction of card repertories, and the problem of blockage is usually because of problem of blockage because of using the method of various cards.